So now we are going to move to lab 4, and with lab 4 we has to do with setting password complexity criteria, and for this task we are using CentOS. So with our CentOS we are going to open our terminal. This might take a little while. Okay, our terminal is open. Maximize this, put it to full screen. Alright, so we are going to open the /etc /security /pw quality.conf file with our editor, our nano editor. So sudo nano. Okay, and now we are asked to input password for authentication. That's been done. Perfect. So now we are going to remove the comment symbol from in front of the min line. The min line, we have something, the min len, min line. This is it. This is min len. We have our min len. We are going to remove the hashtag, and we are going to change the value from 8 to 19. This is to ensure that the minimum length of password inputted is made up of 19. So we are going to save this. Yes. We are going to save that and exit the file editor, which we have done. Now we are going to create the user account for Goldie and attempt to sign her the password to see whether the minimum length that we have edited is perfect. So we are going to use sudo user add Goldie. Now sudo password Goldie. Okay, we are going to assign her the password. Let's try with some few wrong passwords that will not meet up the criteria and see what we have. You see what we get? Bad passwords. The password is shorter than 19 characters. So but it did that, but the password updated successfully. So let's try again and add another password and see what we have. We have the same message. That means our configuration has worked. Let's try again. This password combination password is shorter than 19 characters. But still, he set the password. So now what we're going to do is that in a pw quality.com file, we're going to comment out the minimum length line. We're going to comment out the minimum length line and uncomment the minimum class line and the max class repeat line. We're still going to open it with our editor. Now we are going to comment back this line, this minimum length line that we uncommented. We're going to comment it back, and now we are going to uncomment the min class line. Min class line, I think it should be down here. Min class line, then it's up. If it's not down, then it's up. Okay, min class line, this is it. We uncomment it, and now the max class and the max class repeat line. We have here max class repeat. We uncomment as well. Then I will change the value from 0 to 5. From 0 to 5. And now, excuse me. And now for the min class, we are going to change it to 3. Min class is supposed to be 3, from 0 to 3. Perfect. We are going to save and exit. Yes, and we exit. Perfect. So now we are going to try assigning various passwords that do not meet the complexity criteria that we have set to go this account, and we're going to view the results. So let's start with sudo password od. Okay, let's start with this. Let's try some couple of passwords. The password contains more than 5 characters of the same class consecutively. Okay. Authentication token manipulation error. Okay. Let's try this. Other password. Now we have the password contains less than 3 character classes. Now let's type this. Password updated successfully, though we got a warning. Let's try another combination. Yeah, another combination of passwords. This one shows us that it's perfect. This password meets all the criteria. That's why we don't have any warning. So with this, we are done with our lab 4, and it was successful, as we can see. So we can move to the next one.